guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Asna Mohibah Maurani with name 192417881. In this video, I will complete a project assignment from Miss Puspa Fortuna Zulfa MPD as an English lecturer from Bina Sarana Informatika University, Tegal City. The material that I will present is this video has two topics. The first is about computer and the second is about hardware. Okay, watch the video carefully. Definition computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that is capable of receiving input, processing data, storing information, and producing output. Computers work based on instruction from software programs that perform various tasks automatically and quickly. A brief history of computer. The development of computer is divided into several generations. Generation number 1, around the year 1940s. Characteristic, using vacuum tubes, very large and slow. Generation number 2, around the year 1950. Characteristic, using transistor, smart and faster. Generation number 3, around the year 1960. Characteristic, using IC, integrated circuit. Generation number 4, around the year 1917 to the present. Characteristic, using microprocessor, smart and efficient. Generation number 5, computer in the future and develop AI and quantum computing. Next slide, computer component. Hardware, CPU, central processing unit. Characteristic, the brain of the computer that processes all data and commands. RAM, random access memory, a temporary storage place for data while the computer is running. Storage, ADD or SSD, applies to store data permanently. Input device, a tool for entering data such as a keyboard, mouse, and scanner. Output device, a tool for displaying results such as a monitor and printer. Motherboard, the main circuit board that connects all components. Power supply, provides electrical power to all parts of the computer. Next, software. Operating system, OS, manages all computer operating, Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Next, application. Characteristic, special program for specific tasks such as Microsoft Office, browser, graphics design. How a computer works? A computer works through four main stages, namely input, process, storage, and output. First, data is entered through an input device such as a keyboard or mouse. Then, the data is processed by the CPU, which is the brain of the computer. The result of the process can be stored in memory RAM or storage media such as a hard disk. Finally, the results are displayed through output device such as a monitor or printers. Next slide. Type of computer. Number 1. PC, personal computer. Characteristic, used by individuals at home or in the office. Number 2, laptop or notebook. Characteristic, portable, easy to carry and use anywhere. Number 3, server. Characteristic, a computer that serves other computer in a network, e.g. a website server. Number 4, supercomputer. Has very high computing power, used for scientific research, weather simulation. Number 5, embedded system. A small computer embedded in other devices such as a car, microwaves, ATM. Next, function and benefit of computer. Function. Number 1, processing data. Number 2, storing data. Number 3, communicating. Number 4, calculating. Number 5, controlling the system. Number 6, displaying information. Next, benefit of computer. Number 1, save time. Number 2, unlimited access to information. Number 3, help learning. Number 4, source of entertainment. Number 5, encourage innovation. Next, positive impact of using computer. Number 1, work becomes faster. Computer make work faster. For example, if you want to type a document or search for data, everything can be done directly in seconds. Number 2, easy access to information. Through computer, we can search for any information, for news, tutorial, to things we need for studying or working. Everything is on the internet. Number 3, can communicate long distance. With computer, we can chat, call, even video call with people who are far away, so you don't need to worry about distance anymore. Number 4, help creativity. Many people use computer to create work, such as a graphic design, making music, or even making application. Next, negative impact of computer use. Number 1, can be dependent if you spend too much time in front of the computer. You can become addicted, for example, constantly playing games or opening social media until you forget the time. Number 2, misuse of technology. Technology can be used for bad things too. For example, spreading hoaxes or even committing online crimes. Number 3, disturbed sleep. Looking at the computer screen continuously before going to bed can make it difficult for us to sleep, because the light from the screen can interfere with our sleep hormones. Number 4, health problem. Sitting in front of a computer for a long time can cause back pain, tired eyes, or bad posture. If not addressed, it can be dangerous for health. Number 5, lack of movement. If we spend too much time in front of a computer, we become less mobile, which can cause health problems such as obesity or other illnesses. Okay, next slide. The second topic that will be discussed is hardware. Definition: hardware. How is hardware? Hardware is all the physical components of a computer that can be seen and touched, such as the monitor, keyboard, and CPU. Without hardware, the computer cannot function because hardware is the part that carries out commands from the software. Main hardware component. Number 1, CPU, Central Processing Unit, the brain of the computer that processes data and carries out instructions. Number 2, motherboard, the main circuit board that connects all components in the computer. Number 3, RAM, Random Access Memory, temporary memory where data being processed is temporarily stored. Number 4, storage, storage data permanently, example, ADD and SSD. Number 5, power supply unit, PSU, a power source that converts electric current into power used by the computer. Type of hardware. Number 1, input devices, used to enter data or command into the computer, example, keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, and webcam. Number 2, output devices, function to display the result of computer process to user, example, monitor, speaker, printer, and projector. Number 3, processing devices, the main component for processing data and running process from software, example, CPU, Central Processing Unit, GPU, Graphic Processing Unit, RAM, Random Access Memory. Number 4, storage devices, used to store data permanently or temporarily, example, hard disk drive, HDD, flash disk, solid state drive or SSD, CD or DVD, memory card. Number 5, peripheral or external device, additional device that add function or connectivity to a computer, example, modem or router, external hard drive, gamepad or joystick, external printer. Number 6, network device. Network device help component computer to a network, LAN or Wi-Fi, example, NIC, network interface card, router switch, access point. Number 7, power supply. Power supply unit converts electricity from PLN into power used by computer component, example, PSU, power supply unit, on a PC charging adapter on a laptop. Function on hardware in computer system. Number 1, receive input from user. Number 2, process information by CPU and RAM, store data and result. Number 3, display the final result to the user. Number 4, hardware and software must work together for the computer to function. Component hardware maintenance. Number 1, regularly clean dust. Dust that accumulates inside the casing can make the computer heat up quickly and slow down performance. Number 2, do not put it in a humid or hot place. An environment that is too hot or humid can cause component to quickly break down. Number 3, make sure the cooling system is working. Components such as CPU and VGA generate heat. Number 4. Use a stabilizer or oops. Unstable electricity can damage computer component. Number 5. Do not often unplug directly. Plugging and unplugging correctly can cause port to become lost or damaged. Number 6. Protect from viruses element malware. Although not a physical component, viruses can damage the hard disk or cause a system error. Number 7. Take care of cable and port. Cables that are tanked or pulled and causes damage. This is the video material that I can convey. The conclusion of this video material. A computer is an electronic device that can receive input, process data, store information, and produce output. A computer consists of two main components, namely hardware, such as CPU, RAM, and monitor, and software, such as operating system and application. The development of computer is divided into several generations, starting from the use of vacuum tubes to artificial intelligence and quantum computing. The main function of a computer is to process and store data, communicate, calculate, and display information. Computers are very useful because they can save time, facilitate access to information, and support creativity. However, excessive use can have negative impacts such as dependency, health problems, and technological development. Routine computer maintenance is very important to that the device remain durable and function optimally. Okay, that's all I can convey. Hopefully the material I convey can be understood and useful for all of us. If there are any mistake, please forgive me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.